macOS Sonoma is the latest version of Apple's desktop operating system, and it brings many new features and improvements. But before you get excited about updating your older Mac, you need to check if it meets the minimum system requirements for macOS Sonoma. In this section, we will show you how to do that. The first thing you need to know is that macOS Sonoma only supports Macs with Apple Silicon and Intel Xeon W or 8th generation Coffee Lake/Amber Lake chips or later. This means that macOS Sonoma drops support for various models released in 2017, such as the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and MacBook 12-inch. If you have one of these Macs, you won't be able to update to macOS Sonoma. To find out what kind of Mac you have, you can click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select about this Mac. This will show you the model name, year, processor, memory, and storage of your Mac. You can also click on System Report to get more detailed information about your hardware and software. If your Mac is compatible with macOS Sonoma, you can check if it has enough free space to install the update. According to Apple's website, macOS Sonoma requires at least 35.5 GB of available storage space. To check how much space you have left on your Mac, you can go to About This Mac and click on Storage. This will show you a bar graph of how much space is used by different categories of files, such as apps, photos, documents, etc. You can also click on Manage to free up some space by deleting unwanted files or moving them to iCloud. Once you have verified that your older Mac meets the minimum system requirements for macOS Sonoma and has enough free space to install the update, you are ready to enjoy the new features and enhancements that macOS Sonoma brings. Some of these include interactive widgets that let you access information and perform tasks from your desktop, presenter overlay and reactions for more engaging video conferencing, profiles and web apps for a better browsing experience with Safari, game mode and new titles for an optimized gaming experience. We hope this section helped you understand the minimum system requirements for macOS Sonoma and how to check if your older Mac is compatible with the update. Stay tuned for more sections where we will explore more aspects of macOS Sonoma in detail.